The ultra-modern Diagnostic Center is an offshoot of the Igbinedion University Teaching Hospital and a brainchild of the Esama of Benin South Chief Dr. Gabriel Osawaru Igbinedion, supported by the Deputy Chancellor and former Governor of Edo State Chief Godwin Osawaru Igbinedion and IUTH team. The Diagnostic Center, which aims is to provide first-grade services with world-class facilities, is expected to function for 24 hours daily. Governor Godwin Obaseki, represented by his wife Betsy, expressed gratitude to the Chancellor of IUTH and the Esama of Benin South Chief Dr. Gabriel Osawaru Igbinedion for investing so much in the health sector, which is one of the priorities of his administration. The governor's wife said it is always a delight to identify with the Esama of Benin in view of his penchant for developmental projects, replica of what the governor is already doing through his Make Edo Great Again mega.
We have private individuals doing things to support the efforts of those who are striving to bring good governance to their people, like our governor. I'm saying that not because he's my husband, but that's the truth. So what the Igbinedion family is doing here, and what they even did before we came on board, has just been, setting the stage for valuable support to government of the day and future governments in the endeavors to bring good governance, quality education, quality healthcare to their people.
On his part, the Chancellor, His Excellency South Chief Dr. Gabriel Osawaru Igbinedion, the Esama of Benin, thanked the governor for honoring the invitation to inaugurate the Diagnostic Center, which will go a long way to help reposition the health sector of the state because of the state-of-the-art facilities at its disposal. The Esama, represented by the Deputy Chancellor and former Governor of Edo State, Chief Godwin Osawaru Igbinedion, said all is being done to ensure that the Igbinedion University Teaching Hospital is well positioned to cater for all health-related cases, no matter how complicated, to discourage medical tourism abroad.
Igbinedion University Teaching Hospital, Okada, which is the first private teaching hospital in Nigeria, has provided and is still providing affordable solutions to the medical challenges of the people of Edo State and Nigerians in general. Our continuous efforts at expanding the frontiers of IUTH inform the idea of setting up this world-class radiological and laboratory center.
Chairman, Board of Management, Igbinedion Teaching Hospital, Professor Abiodun Ilosomi, said the newly inaugurated Diagnostic Center will serve the public with optimal satisfaction as the staff have been trained for such. The Chief Medical Director, Professor Nosaka Ibazwaye, said the quality services of the center will not be compromised as it boasts of hiring some of the best hands in the industry. The representative of the Vice Chancellor Igbinedion University Okada, Raf Adege, and Dr. Osahon Abulele, elected President World Medical Association, commended the management for another great feat.
I want to appeal to you that when the patients come, please show them the necessary courtesy. Don't let us throw all these things, all this our money and investment into a waste.
We are providing a facility here that even at midnight, if any private hospital has a patient that requires CT scan, X-rays and other diagnostic tests done, IUTH Diagnostic Center will be open 24 hours to ensure that these facilities provide this.
For a private individual to do this today, to me, is not only exemplary, but indeed is something that should be emulated by individuals in other sectors and indeed the state government.
Those state people are blessed to have somebody who has taken not just healthcare, education and other aspects of human endeavor to a very height that others are trying to measure up with. I'm talking about the Esama of Benin.
There were also goodwill messages from the Vice Chancellor University of Benin and Managing Director Neuropsychiatric Hospital Selu, among other top dignitaries. The occasion was also attended by other members of the Board of Management of Igbinedion Teaching Hospital. Efosa Uwangue reporting.